This year, we go over to meteorologist Hannah Rauner.
Thanks, Frank. So the good news is we definitely don't have drought conditions in place across the area. It's been a very soggy month, especially in Lumberton. Observed rainfall totals are already over 5 inches for the month. The normal is about 2.5, so that already gives us a surplus in Lumberton of nearly 2.5 inches of rainfall, and that is going to be a very large contributor to our year-to-date surplus of rainfall, which currently in Lumberton is about 3.17 inches of rain. Florence, though, year-to-date, you have an even higher surplus. You're getting close to 4 inches above average for the year. But as we look at the month statistics, this surplus is not going to be due to the rain that we have seen this month. Florence has seen 2 inches less than Lumberton, so just over 3 inches of rain observed in Florence so far. The normal is about 2.7, so Florence is really looking good for this month, and North Myrtle Beach is as well. But as we look at the year-to-date rainfall stats for North Myrtle Beach, this is where things really start to vary significantly, because North Myrtle Beach is actually having a deficit of about 2 inches of rain. So what we're going to do next is kind of look at each month that we've had this year. So North Myrtle Beach is going to be your blue column, Florence is in green, and Lumberton is in yellow. So if we start with January, we can see that Florence was very, very wet in January, seeing 5 inches of rain. North Myrtle Beach was a little bit below average, but still got about 2.5 inches of rain. February, that was really a non-story because it was very normal in terms of rainfall totals across all three of our cities. The only thing to point out is that North Myrtle Beach had the highest total out of all three of them. But March is where things really got interesting. It was another very soggy month for Florence, getting close to 5 inches again. But North Myrtle Beach, only 1.2 inches for the entire 31 days in March. So March is going to be the biggest contributor to North Myrtle Beach's deficit. And as we look at the totals that we've seen so far, all of them have a surplus. But we know there's more rain tonight and rain throughout the weekend. So with more on those rainfall totals coming, I'll send it back to Frank.
And where you get a chance to add